Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to help you or to give you tips on how to download restricted apps, geo-restricted apps like Pluto, HBO Max and Disney Plus. I'm here trying to find out the best solution. So, and 100% guarantee this will work on any device wherever you are. So try out. First thing you need to do, you need to remove your SIM cards and then connect with a Wi-Fi and then use a VPN. Then go to Play Store, create an email or a Gmail account, or log in with your previous account, and then create a payment details. After creating a payment details or address, your exact location on your payment address will be the US. So once you register that one, you will be back again. After registering your payment details, you will easily open your Play Store and download whatever you want. And even you can find books about comics, about Marvels, about whatever you want. Any books about even financial, everything that you want. So try out. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel. And this is my first video. Goodbye.